Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Last day of school. I am done for the year. To celebrate, I come to the county park and with my bicycle. I put it on my car and then fold it. I need to show you. Okay, let's do it. Today's outfit of the day, and you cannot hear me, right? And it's so comfortable. Look at it, skinny legging, but I have something long to cover it. Okay, I will ride my bike. Hello. New bike. I'm so happy.
I thought this was on Instagram Live.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
Just for myself.
Cute bike.
Enjoy. Oh, this makes me so happy. That's it. So silly. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Gulu gulu bye. Yeah, bye. Oh, yeah. You need to see the setting sun, and this area is for people to pass by, but there were wooded area with a lot of trees, very dark and very, very fun. I like to go to the dark place, go to the dark side. Gulu gulu bye, yeah, bye.